So I've already showed you how we can trim footage before we bring it in, how we can bring footage in and split them up. But now I want to show you another way to edit it, and that is called text-to-speech. So I typically shoot a lot of videos like this where I just have a talking head, very much like what you're seeing. And maybe we can come in here and just kind of crop in. I shot this on my phone and we're happy with our base edit, but we wanted to start trimming up the edit. What we can do is we can go over to transcript based editing. You can see it's free and it's going to take a little bit of time depending on how long the video footage is. And now it's going to automatically start playing our footage. And what's really nice is we can see all of these different pauses, and the pauses are indicated with this bracket, ... and then the amount of time, for example, 12.4. And now what I can do is I can select on it and press delete. And now it's deleted my trims. And I can go through the whole thing like this and just delete things and it'll make all of my cuts. So I can click on 0.07, 0.7, delete. Now it's showing me duplicates. So it says, so this is really just a quick demo. So this is really a quick demo. So I can go ahead and click on this one and just delete this version. I could click on here, boom, delete. And this is a really, really easy way to go through and trim up all of your talking head or your voiceover clips. If you have the Pro version, you can actually just remove filler words and it'll show you there's 14 and you can click delete. Now, if you don't have that, you can just go ahead and just start deleting them anyway by just selecting on them. This is the one knock that I do have against CapCut. In all of the other app, Premiere, Final Cut, DaVinci, this would be a free thing. They would remove all the filler words. They would remove all the deletes. They would remove all of the dead space with a single clip. It would be really, really easy. But in Premiere or in CapCut, it's still pretty easy. I can just go down here, select on everything, delete. It's even highlighting the filler words. So like, for example, so, which is a word I learned to say a lot, but that's it. It's really that easy. This is a really great way to go ahead and edit your transcripts. And by the time you have all of these nice transitions where it'll just be talking bits.